Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone rocking the Yamaha SPX2000 professional multi-effect processor, a 6FT USB data sync cable. This isn't just any cable. It's presented as a brand new, high-quality replacement, specifically designed to ensure seamless data synchronization for your valuable audio gear. Right off the bat, one of the standout features is its robust construction. While it's a non-OEM product, the emphasis is clearly on delivering a premium experience. It boasts a standard USB 2 Type A male to Type B male connector, which is exactly what you need for connecting your SPX2000. This ensures compatibility and reliable data transfer, whether you're updating firmware, managing presets, or diving into deeper editing functions. The design philosophy behind this cable also prioritizes convenience. Its 6-foot length offers ample reach without being overly cumbersome, and its overall small size makes it incredibly easy to carry. You can simply coil it up and toss it into your gig bag or studio kit, knowing it won't take up much space. This portability is a huge plus for musicians and audio engineers who are constantly on the move or need to set up their gear in various locations. Despite its compact nature, the manufacturer assures us that its small size doesn't compromise its high-quality performance, which is always reassuring. Now, let's talk about something that's absolutely critical for any electronic accessory: safety. This DDKX-NDB cable truly shines in this department. It's manufactured with the highest quality materials, incorporating multiple smart features designed to safeguard your devices. We're talking about protection against incorrect voltage, short circuits, and internal overheating. The materials used are high-temperature resistant, flame retardant, and fire resistant, providing an ultimate layer of protection for your Yamaha SPX2000 and any connected equipment. This level of attention to safety gives you peace of mind, knowing your expensive gear is well protected during data transfers. The cable itself comes in a sleek black color, offering a professional and understated look that will blend seamlessly with your existing studio setup. It's a male-to-male connector, as expected, ensuring a straightforward plug-and-play experience. The fact that it's brand new and never used means you're getting a fresh, untouched product, ready to perform right out of the packaging. One important piece of advice, which the manufacturer also highlights, is to always double-check the model of your device before making a purchase. While this cable is specifically for the Yamaha SPX2000, ensuring compatibility is key to a hassle-free experience. Overall, for anyone needing a reliable, safe, and portable USB data sync cable for their Yamaha SPX2000, this replacement option from DDKX-NDB appears to be a very compelling choice. It combines essential functionality with robust safety features and a convenient design, making it a solid contender for your studio or live setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.